Hey guys, good morning everyone. Happy Tuesday and happy 4th of July to all of you. It is 8:21 and I just woke up a few minutes ago. But guess what's playing on TV? If you guys see it, Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Literally, I have not obviously seen that show in like forever. Can you focus please? There we go. And obviously I haven't seen that show forever and I absolutely love Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Literally this whole channel is just playing just a whole bunch of like my favorite like childhood movies and shows, and it's just, I love it so much and I'm just reminiscing on those moments. I hope you guys enjoyed the first vlog. If you guys haven't seen that vlog, make sure you go check that vlog out. It'll be down in the description box and then you can come back to this one. So yeah, today I think we're going back to Fun Spot, the place that we went last vlog when it started raining. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. Well, I think I'm just gonna like obviously do like my my morning routine and then see if my parents are awake. My brother is still sleeping. You can just hear him like tossing and turning. He should be getting up soon. But after I do my morning routine, I'm gonna go see if my parents are awake and see like to like confirm our plan to see if we're actually going back to the Fun Spot today. And then after that, we're going from there. Then I'll get dressed and do all that other good stuff. So yeah, let's go ahead and get ready. We just got off the scrambler. It was really fun. Got that fresh breeze. So I think do what? Daddy, I'm not doing it. I think now we're gonna do go-karts, but yeah, it's really nice. I'm so happy that it's not raining anymore. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm about to get on go-kart. I'll try to vlog as much as I can. It's really pretty. nice weather. Everything looks so fun. I'm very excited. But yeah, everybody get on go-karts. I'll see y'all later. Bye guys.
Remember, racers, this is a driver-controlled ride, and you are riding after a ride. Ride safely and have a great day. Thank you.
Hey y'all, so it's been a minute since I filmed, but we went on the go-karts. We did like all of them. We did them a couple times, and now we're getting on this big wooden roller coaster up here, that one right there, which I'm very excited for. I think it's called White Lightning, but yeah, I'm very excited to get on it. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in a little bit. Bye. Hey guys, so we are now about to get some food. We're going to Longhorn Steakhouse. It's like really hot outside. It's like 90 something, but we're cooling down now, get something to eat because we're hungry, and then we're gonna go back, and then at like 3:30 I'm gonna go reserve my spot for the 4 o'clock gator feeding. So basically we'll be looking at like alligators, I think snakes, and like birds and things like that, and we'll be able to feed them. So I'll go inside the exposure and be able to like to feed them. I'll be at a safe distance though, but I'm very excited for that because I love reptiles. I love animals. Reptiles are literally like my favorite type of animal. I love reptiles, big cats. I'm just a big animal person, so I'm very excited for it. So yeah, we're about to get some food. So yeah.
Color green. Adult alligators are going to be all a gray or black color. When they're young like this, they still have some yellow markings on their sides and on their backs. Those are called the alligator's juvenile bands, and they start off yellow, but as they get older and spend time out in the sun darkens them up. So when they're fully grown, like Big Nasty in the back corner, they're going to be all gray or black color. There are 2 animals in here that are a little bit different though from the rest of the gators. There's one in that back corner there, and there's another one somewhere around. I might find him later. But we do have 2
Naomi and Nathan, they feeding the gators with fish.
Oh yes, it's okay. made it back into the room. It's like 6 something, I think. So it started raining. So I don't know what we're gonna do because the place that we went at, Fun Spot, they have fireworks at 9 o'clock. So we don't know what we're gonna do. We might just stay in the house. The house will stay here, just chill and I guess find something to do. But today was really fun. I'm very tired. Literally my brother was like knocked out in the car, but it was so much fun. I'm literally so tired, so I'm gonna eat some cotton candy because I want something sweet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog so far. As I said, I do not know what we're gonna do, so I guess I'll see you guys the next time I film something. But yeah, I'll see you guys later, I guess. Hey guys, so it is like 11:19 right now and I am about to hop into the shower because it's been a long day, really hot. We've just been sweating and I feel yucky, so I really need to take a shower. And honestly, I'm gonna give a bit of context behind those fireworks. So we were originally supposed to go to Fun Spot, but it started raining and sadly we did not get to go. And then we heard something loud outside. My dad is like, oh, it's gunshots. I'm like, I don't think it's gunshots, I think it's fireworks. So we just ran out there, tried to figure out which direction it came from. So I guess our resort or somewhere around us was like doing like fireworks. So that was really great. I hope you guys are enjoying this little mini series of, you know, in Florida. We're having such a great time. I love spending time with my family and it's honestly amazing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and turn on that post notification bell so you guys will be notified every single time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.